In this video, we're going to take a closer look at what's required to create a measurement plan. Now, once you've gathered your analytics team, it's time to start creating your measurement plan. And the first part of your measurement plan is to define your business objectives. Now remember, the only reason to use digital analytics is to gather data to help you make smart business decisions. So it makes sense to start creating your measurement plan with the business objectives first. If your business was, for example, a sport fishing equipment store that sold both online and in a physical brick and mortar store, then perhaps your business objectives would be to allow people to enjoy the sport of fishing through high quality fishing products. Now, once you've determined your business objectives, it's time to identify how you plan on supporting these objectives. It's at this step where we define our strategy to support our business goals. To stay with the same example of an e-commerce sport fishing website, our strategy could be to sell quality fishing products as well as to map out a strategy to engage our users. We also need to come up with some tactics to support our strategy, and this could include selling through our website and through a mobile app. Of course, we also want to engage and encourage our customers to visit our physical store. To help engage the users, we could have blog posts and maybe enable the ability for our customers to provide product reviews. Now that we have our business objectives and support strategy documented, it's time to determine our key performance indicators. We need to determine our KPIs so that we can start measuring our performance. In our sport fishing example, some of our KPIs may include revenue targets or average sales values. I remember a few years ago I was dating a makeup artist. She would always talk about her AUS, which stood for average unit sales. Now, that's a KPI that they use to measure staff performance. You may also want to measure the number of in-store coupons that are used, or blogging frequency, as well as measuring how many likes we get on Facebook or retweets on Twitter. Social networking is crucial to online business nowadays, and you must not overlook the social networking options that are available to you. Now, to really understand your data, you're going to need to segment the data into more specialized chunks. So let's take a look at our marketing channels, for example. You could have multiple different marketing channels for business like, say, search, email, and social networking channels. And you want to be able to determine how much value you're getting out of each one of these investment channels. If you were to look at the user characteristics segment, then you'd be able to see how much of your business comes from repeat business to help you determine if there's room to grow customer loyalty. If we look at our location segment, then we'd be able to compare our online sales that are close to our physical store versus sales that are further away from our store. And this would help give us an idea of how much of a draw having a physical store is. The final part of creating our measurement plan is to put the information into context. And remember, there's internal and external context. Internal context compares our numbers with our historical data, where external context compares our data with that of our competitors or market trends. In this video, we looked into what's required to create a measurement plan.